Do you use a hearing aid in one ear? Learn how to stream sound to your AudioStream adapter and your hearing aid at the same time.
Compatible phones with Android 12 and later let you stream sound to your AudioStream adapter and an ASHA-compatible hearing aid at the same time for bimodal streaming. You can find a list of tried and tested devices at go.medl.com/AudioStream-adapter. Before pairing your phone with an AudioStream adapter and your hearing aid, you'll need to configure the adapter using the latest AudioKey app. Find in-depth instructions in AudioStream Adapter Hands-On Pairing with an Android device or your user manual. Make sure your AudioStream adapter is unplugged from Rondo 3 and your hearing aid is turned off. Make sure your smartphone's Bluetooth is on. Then, plug in your AudioStream adapter to Rondo 3. Your AudioStream adapter will connect to your phone automatically. Once your AudioStream adapter is connected, turn on your hearing aid. Once turned on, pair your hearing aid using your phone's Bluetooth settings. Now, both your AudioStream adapter and your hearing aid are connected to your phone. You can start streaming music and calls to both ears at the same time.
There you have it, bimodal streaming with your AudioStream adapter.